Hello, welcome back guys to Spotter channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to restore deleted files in Terabox on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started the video. Well guys, firstly of course just go ahead to this Terabox applications. Now in this Terabox, if we have deleted some files, photo or video, it will not actually delete it, guys. It will only serve in the trash options. So if you want to restore it, then simply just go ahead to this photos option, for example. Now tap on this more option at the top. Now we'll find out here the trash option or folder. Just go ahead and tap on it, and this is the photos that I have deleted before, guys. So if you want to restore it, just simply tap and hold for a second like this until it will be a checklist. And if you want to restore it, simply tap on this restore option at the bottom. Now I'm gonna tap on it like this, and as you can see, for their 3 photos, it will restore it again to our Terabox account, guys. It will not serve again in this folder, which is trash folder. We can check it on our files photo. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.